Y'all are going to want to stick around to the end of this video to see what's in this mystery box. Okay guys, we just got to this Goodwill. It is in one of the richer communities in my area. So I'm excited to go in here. I always find good things. So let's go in and see what we can find. Let's see here. Made in Italy, Zrak. Oh, we'll give it a shot. It's cute. Okay. Is this? Oh, whoops! I thought that was together. Okay, let's put that back up there. And what is this down here? Any art today? Not seeing any. Oh, what are those bicycles? Are they planters? I'm not sure what those are really used for. Okay. Oh, that's neat. We'll stick that in the cart and we'll look it up here in just a few minutes. And ooh, nice. That is very nice. Very big and awkward, but nice. Okay, let's look at the baskets here. I'm not really seeing anything. That's cute. That's broken. Okay, let's go to the next aisle here. Let's see. Oh, nice. Is that stained glass? Oh, I can't tell. Okay. Okay, let's look at this little picture. Okay, I'm gonna stick it in the buggy and look it up when I get a chance. I'm gonna grab the little creamer dish too. Okay, let's look at the glass here. Not really seeing anything. Okay, let's see here in the glassware. Oh, that's cute. Little ducks. And that's crystal made in Austria. Okay, we'll put that in the cart. Okay, it got busy, but I did add some things to the cart. A mystery box and a stained glass kitty cat. Stick around and see what's in the box. That's all for this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time.